Buying and selling stocks on TradeStation involves a few key steps. Here's a concise guide. Log into TradeStation. Access platform. Open the TradeStation desktop platform, web version or mobile app and log in with your credentials. Find the asset. Search for symbol. Use the search bar or symbol lookup feature to locate the stock or asset you wish to trade. Access the order entry window. Desktop or web. Navigate to the order bar or trade tab. Click new order or a similar option to open the order entry form. Mobile app. Tap on the asset and select trade. Enter trade details. Choose action. Select buy or sell depending on your trade direction. Specify quantity. Enter the number of shares or units you want to trade. Order type. Choose the type of order. Market order, limit order, or stop order. Set price and duration. Price. For limit and stop orders, enter the price at which you want to execute the trade. Duration. Select the order duration. Review and place order. Confirm details. Double check all trade details. Submit order. Click submit or send order to place your trade. Monitor your trades. Track positions. Use the orders or positions tab to monitor and manage your trades.